When you're out camping and backing your trailer into your stall, do you and your partner sometimes have a little tension about the direction signals and guiding each other into the stall? Stick around for this next feature. It could save your relationship. Hi, Mark Fraser with another Trailer Tuesday feature. Today's feature could help your relationship, and that feature is a wireless camera. So on Outdoors RV titanium package, the trailers come with a backup camera. And so you can wirelessly broadcast the signal from here up to your truck. And I've just brought the camera here, but that'll just mount on your dash, and you can guide yourself in and avoid hitting anything, any trees or people. Great little feature, and again, it could help save your relationship. If you have any questions on this feature, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328 and ask for Mark.